Hi guys, it's me and Nils, and he wanted to see his first snow. So here we go. We're getting a blizzard today. Let's see if I can get out here without dropping everyone, myself included. Okay. It started. What do you think, Nils? You like it? Yeah? It started at 6 o'clock this morning. We have 6.5 inches so far, and they're saying 1 inch per hour, and it's supposed to stop tonight at 9. It's beautiful. I love snow so much. You like it, Nils? Oh, I think he likes it. It's hard to get him in the shot. Here you go. Oh, is that bird scary? Okay. So I just wanted to show you. I'm excited. Most people are afraid of blizzards. I'm excited about it. It's so beautiful. Okay, guys. Just wanted to show you. Say bye, Nils. Bye. Be careful if you're having a blizzard, guys. Be safe.